Ever wonder how some people seem to win the day before breakfast? It's not luck, it's not magic. It's their morning ritual. And today we'll break down the habits that fuel clarity, energy, and unstoppable momentum. Mornings are more than just the start of your day. They're your launch pad, your reset button, your first win. Science shows that the first 90 minutes of your day shape your focus, mindset, and productivity for the rest of it. Whether you're a CEO, a student, or an artist, the way you begin is often how you'll continue. Want to own your life? Start by owning your mornings. Successful people don't just wake up early, they wake up with intention. Whether it's 5 a.m. or 8 a.m., it's not about the time, it's about using the first 10 minutes to breathe, stretch, and ask, what energy do I want to bring today? No phone, no noise, just presence. A splash of cold water on your face or a quick cold shower wakes your nervous system, boosts alertness, and improves mood. Follow it with a tall glass of lemon water to kickstart metabolism and hydration. It's simple, free, and powerful. Small wins stack, and this one's easy. You don't need a full workout, just move. 5-15 minutes of stretching, yoga, or walking tells your body, I'm alive, I'm ready, let's go. Movement clears brain fog, releases endorphins, and resets your body's rhythm. Make this non-negotiable. Before the world's noise enters your mind, write. A journal, a notepad, anything. Try this. 3 things you're grateful for, 1 thing you'll accomplish today, 1 feeling you want to embody. This shifts your focus from reactivity to creation. You're not just living the day, you're designing it. Your brain is hungry, feed it wisely. Instead of scrolling, try 10 minutes of a podcast, a chapter from a book, a short meditation. Your thoughts will echo what you consume. Choose fuel over filler. Take a quiet moment to see your day. Imagine your meetings going well. Picture the workout, the smile, the moment of peace. Then add energy to that vision. Feel it. This isn't just woo-woo. Athletes, performers, even surgeons use this technique to prime performance. Remember, you don't need a perfect morning. You need a powerful one. Even 1 or 2 of these rituals, done consistently, can transform your energy, mindset, and results. You're not just reacting to life, you're crafting it. What's your favorite morning ritual? Drop it in the comments, and if this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more tools to elevate your life every single day.